I want to walk you through from the time you submit your application for the Citizen Astronaut program to when you get selected. We are looking for motivated and excited individuals who want to have the overview experience and use that as a propellant to continue their journey of creating positive impact in the world. We're so lucky to have thousands of amazing applicants apply. But in order to find who's really going to be benefiting from our program and taking the most out of it, we look at three main factors by using a rubric. We're looking for leadership, community development, and impact. So people who are already doing those things so that when they do have that amazing overview experience, they'll come back to Earth, charged and ready to continue making change. In order to analyze each applicant's leadership, community development, and impact, we've created a robust rubric. Using that rubric are a team of teachers who we've trained in unbiased assessment, who individually go through and read, mark, and assess each and every application. It's extremely important to me that every application is seen by a human. After the teachers mark the applications, we're left with about 15 candidates. And this is when we start having conversations with the individuals, getting to know them one-on-one, and making sure that our program is a good fit for them. We ask citizen astronauts after they have the amazing overview effect experience to come down and continue their leadership, community development, and impact. So we want to make sure that people have the time and capacity to do that. From there, we're left with about 5 people, and we have a panel interview. On this panel are people that are very close to Space for Humanity and really understand our mission and what it means to be a citizen astronaut. However, I'm not one of those people, and neither are any of the main team from Space for Humanity, because we really want to make this as unbiased as possible. Our first 2 citizen astronauts represented firsts in their communities and their countries. However, that's not why they were chosen. We looked at our 3 pillars of leadership, community development, and impact. And we're not sure who will be next. They might be from those very same countries. Maybe you'll be our next citizen astronaut.